Welcome to Unit 6, Lesson 2, Distributive Property. Your target statement: today I will analyze expressions so that I can apply distributive property and identify and combine like terms. I'll know I have it when I can create a simplified expression. Do not skip this page. You need to click on this video and watch this video. It is only 6 minutes and 30 seconds long. It's not that long, but it gives you a lot of information on what we're going to be doing. It gives you examples and it explains the examples. So please watch the video. We will be watching it in class. Distributive property means to distribute or share in a group by giving that thing to each part of the group. Your group is located in the parentheses. The thing outside of the parentheses, you can see these arrows. You're distributing it or giving it to each person or each thing within the parentheses. Therefore, when I give the present to the girls, we have a present and a girl. When I give the present to the boys, notice this addition sign, it stays with them, but I give the present to the boys as well. After this, you need to click on the next video in slide 5.